Professor Jim Schultz here from my Finance 311 students. I wanted to go ahead and shoot another video for your bond practice. This one, based on a request from some students, is going to be number 3 on your extra bond set, which is this guy right here with the current yield and whatnot. And basically, the problem asks you to solve for the current market interest rate. And so, based on the definitions we've gone through in class and your understanding of the material, you should know right away that that is solving for I in your time value of money keys, right? So you've got to crank out I, all right? So given the information that you have in front of you, you may start to fill in what you know and then just try to solve for I, right? So you know the par value is 1,000 even though it's not stated. You know the payment is 70 that you get from a 7% annual coupon. And then you know N is 4 because it tells you the bond matures in 4 years, okay? But until you do what's on the left-hand side here, you do not have the current price of the bond, right? And so if you just tried to move right to this process, this step, it would be incomplete. You do not know the price of the bond. That is where the current yield information comes into play. Remember, the equation for current yield, which is written right here, is current yield is equal to the annual coupon, that has to be a dollar number, divided by the current price. Okay? So you know the yield is given to you at 6.3%, so that's 0.063. You know the annual coupon is $70, which you can get from here. So you plug that guy right in there, and then you're left with one equation with one unknown. All you have to do now is solve for your price, right? So your price is going to be 1111.11, right? So that is where I'm able to fill in the price for to complete my time value of money application. And from there, it's pretty straightforward. You just crank this guy out. And remember, of course, that your present value is negative and your future value and your payment are both positive for the calculator, something we have went over many times in class. And so when you do that, you get your current market interest rate at 3.94%. This is how you solve number 3 for the extra bond set, and I hope this was helpful.